The waggle dance is a term used in beekeeping and ethology for a particular figure-8 dance of the honeybee. By performing this dance, successful foragers can share with their hive mates information about new housing locations and water sources. It was once thought that the bees had two distinct dances, the round dance and the waggle dance. One for indicating nearby targets and the other for indicating distant targets. But it is now known that the round dance is the same as the waggle dance with a very short waggle. Do the waggle dance, do the waggle dance, do the waggle dance. Do the waggle dance, do the waggle dance, do the waggle dance. We'll get a bag of cans and do the waggle dance. The waggle dance consists of 1 to 100 circuits, each consisting of 2 phases. The round phase and the waggle phase. Consumption of ethanol by foraging bees decreases waggle dance activity and increases occurrence of the tremble dance. Do the waggle dance, do the waggle dance, do the waggle dance. Do the waggle dance, do the waggle dance, do the waggle dance. Get a bag of cans and do the waggle dance. Queen of all things sweet, on her honeycomb throne she waits for me to bring the sweet thing home.